Hi kids! Happy Cinco de Mayo! So today we are going to be looking at pennies and nickels. Now I know we reviewed the coins yesterday and their values when we looked at this chart, and I read you a book about pennies, and I said that I would read you a book about nickels today. So here is our book about nickels. What is a nickel? Nickels are coins. Nickels are made out of nickel and copper. Nickel and copper are types of metal. Can you guess where the name for a nickel came from? Thomas Jefferson is on the front of the nickel. He was the third president of the United States. Jefferson's house is on the back of the nickel. The house is called Monticello. A nickel is worth 5 pennies. 20 nickels makes $1. Nickels are made by the United States Mint. The United States Mint is a part of the government. We learned about that yesterday in the video. I hope you liked it. Many people put their nickels in paper rolls. Each roll is worth $2. Many people take their rolls of nickels to the bank. They save their money in the bank so that they can buy things later. The end. Tomorrow I'll read you a book about dimes. All right, so the other thing that we are going to do today is we are going to talk about how to add up money that's a group of different kinds of coins. So I want to show you something. I have a pretend group of coins. Now I could have used real money, but that's a little bit hard to see on this video, and I don't have our document camera. So we're going to use our imaginations again, and we're going to pretend that these circles with numbers in them are representing real coins. So if there's a 5, that means it's a nickel. If there's a 1, that means it's a penny. Okay? So we want to learn how to add up a group of coins, and today we're working just with nickels and pennies. Here's what you need to know. This is the important stuff. When you have different coins, start with the coin with the greater value, or greatest if you have more than 2 kinds of coins. Then you add the others. So let's do an example. In my pile of coins here, which kind of coin has the greatest value? I know I have nickels and pennies. Which one is worth more? I hope you said nickels. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort or separate my coins with the greatest value. So I see that I have 3 nickels. I'm going to put them right here. So I've used them. All right, and I see that I have pennies left. Those have less value. It's easier to start with bigger numbers and add on the smaller ones. So I'm going to fill in my pennies here. All right, now we can start the adding. I know that 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. And if I have 2 nickels, I have to count by 5s, right? So I have 5, now I have 10. What's going to come next? 15. Good job, right? 5, 10, 15. Okay, I don't have another nickel. I have a penny. So now I have to add 1 cent. So now I go from 15 plus 1, which means I have 16 cents. And then I still had that 1 other penny. So I add 1 more. I have 17. My total value in this pile of coins is 17 cents. And remember, this is the cent sign. You have to include it. It's an important thing because that separates it from elephants, trees, to money. This is 17 cents, not 17 elephants, not 17 trees. It's important to label money when you're working with math. Okay, I hope you got it. If not, watch this again. Just remember, you start with the greatest value, and you add them up and you go to the least value at the end and you add that on. So today we're working just with 5s and 1s because we're working with just nickels and pennies. All right, if you didn't get it, watch it again. If you feel like you got it, go ahead and open your assignment on Seesaw. Have a great day. Bye.